Hey everyone, it's Jamie McCaughna, and I am here to help you figure out how to print from your Revolve to the printer in your classroom. The first thing you want to do is you want to get to this screen, and then you want to swipe over to the right hand side. I'm going to click search, and then I'm going to type in control panel, and I'm going to click on the control panel. In here, you'll see all of the different things that you can configure and, quite honestly, mess up on your Revolve. So be careful when you are in this section. When we're in the control panel, we're going to go to devices and printers. Now we want to add a printer. So we will go to add a printer. Your computer will search for printers that are connected and there aren't any found. So we're going to click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Your printer in your classroom has a white sticker on it that says 5509 print and then a number. It might be 055, it might be 012. There are lots of different names for the printers. That's the number that we need to know in order to find your printer. So we're going to select the first option. It defaults to that, find a printer in the directory based on a location or feature. And then we'll click next. Now, you have to be very careful. You'll see that there are lots and lots and lots of items found. It will actually give you an error message that there are too many. The reason that there will be too many is because these are all of the printers in the district. So you need to be very careful here. If I were to click on this printer, I might be printing to some other school in some teacher's classroom. This is especially important when we're printing information that has student name, demographic information, grades, anything like that. So in the name section here, we type in 5509 print. And then if you know the number, say it's 012, then you can enter that. For our purposes right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click Find Now. And you can see all of these printers are the ones listed in our school. These are all of the printers in our school. Now, let's say that my printer is 5509 print 035. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean, just because it says C1 right here, that I am actually in C1. Sometimes these room numbers are incorrect. So you want to make sure that you're searching by the name here on the left. So once I choose the printer, I can double click on it, and it will begin to connect. You'll want to make sure that your printer is on at this point so that the network can determine that your printer is available. Now, we are connected to the printer 5509 print 035, and we'll click Next. If this is the classroom printer, you'll want to set it as your default printer. If you want to print a test page to try it out, you can do so at this time. And now we'll click Finish. You'll see that my printer has been added over here, but really, I don't want to print to Tedisco's room, so I am going to delete this. I'm going to go up here to Remove Device, and I'm going to remove the device, and I am done. I'm actually going to go ahead and change my default back to the printer that I normally print to, instead of this one right here. And we're done. If you are interested in making a video like this for your classroom, I used a program called Screencast-O-Matic. If you are interested in using that to make a video for your students to watch, maybe in a flipped instruction or in a blended learning model, please let me know.